Hello. Tired of wasting hours cutting up clips or spending hundreds of dollars in premium video editing subscriptions like CapCut? Tired of giving your money to video editors? Well, this stops now. In this tutorial, we're building a 100% local, completely free AI-powered video editor using Python. So we will download some kind of modules for them. So I'll let you know what modules we're going to be downloading, and those are the only modules that you'll need for this script. So here you see Whisper, MoviePie, Pillow. I've already downloaded it, so it will show satisfied for me, but it will definitely download for you guys. And then we have these generator script, which will generate all the images and emojis that we'll be using in our video. So that generator script is right here. It's taking all the emojis that you see, and it will replace, if I'm using those emojis in my video, it will replace with the actual emoji. Okay, so this is that. And then we also have our main video script, which is the video editor, the main editor which does everything. So that's all. We just have to run them now. So running with our Python, first the generator that will add all the PNGs at the asset location, and now I'll show you one of the asset, which will be the cloud one. So that's that. Okay, so this will pop up. Now we'll just run our Python script. Okay, so this will run and will generate a video with all the emojis. Okay, and then I'll show you how the end result looks like. It will store the end result in a video called output.mp4, and you can supply an input.mp4, which will be your video that you want to edit. Okay, so that video should be named as input.mp4. So it will take a few minutes, probably one more minute, and let me show you how the output looks like. So before that, like, share, and subscribe. So this is the audio video recording that we'll use. It starts with, "What is up, guys? Today we are building something absolutely fire. If you're tired of spending hours editing your videos, wasting all your money on expensive software subscriptions, or waiting for slow cloud renders, this video is for you. We're going to launch a local Python script that edits our content at a rocket speed. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump straight into the terminal."